Yeah, hello everyone. Today I introduce our 115 4.5-inch angle grinder to you. 115. Okay. Okay, firstly, we were checking the angle grinder balance. This machine with 1000 watts. Okay, we checking the empty rotation balance firstly. 空转。Okay, you can see this angle grinder with very stable balance performance. Now we try using this angle grinder, cuts with the cutting wheels, cuts of this workpiece. You know, if the angle grinder without good quality, even the cutting wheels have a good quality, then the cutting performance is no good.
就是25毫米的。
But if the angle grinder with the high quality can help your cutting wheels performance max quality. Okay, this workpiece, the diameter is 25 mm. Now we do some cuts. Okay, you can see the Blueshark cutting wheels with Blueshark angle grinder can make max quality of your cutting wheels. Now we see you can see it's really smooth and no burst cutting. So always remember, using your cutting wheels always with high quality angle grinder can make max quality of your cutting wheels. So choose Blueshark cutting wheels and the Blueshark angle grinder can make max of your cutting cost. Yeah, my friends, really thanks for your watching.